Well, we sure have a lot to talk about.
If one day she wakes up scared of being a metahuman and decides to take that cure, her powers don't just disappear. I do too.
Hey, you know I'd never take that cure, right?
Frost, you have always been there for me, protecting me.
But I just wanted to say thanks for believing in me.
Now I get to do something for you. Besides, even though it's always felt like you were a part of me, for the first time it feels like I'm a part of you.
No thanks needed.
Thank you. Of course, you're a part of me that I never want to lose. I promise I will do everything I can to protect you. That's what I'm really afraid of. Is if I'm gone, who's gonna protect her? Because that's what he wants.
What does Caitlin have to say?
She says it's just a headache.
She's probably right.
I told you so. No, something. There's something I need to show you.
Still having those headaches?
So,
How great is this?
My back man's still wearing off. I'm seeing double.
yeah, you're my boss. I know this is a lot to take in.
Told you they'd freak.
It'll be weeks before we can even consider another fusion attempt because maybe I don't want to recombine. Why not? Ever since you let me take the wheel, I got to live my life, not just half the time, but all the time. You're my sister. You can always do this. It's my biggest fear in life. Living without you. Mine too. Maybe two snows. This is us.
She's here for good cause.
I don't care if she's Xena, warrior princess. I am finally free to live my own life, and no one is going to take that away from me. You're the one who said the cure should always be a choice. Then why won't you choose this? It's not me you're trying to protect. It's terrified of living a life that you're not in. It's yourself. You're my sister. I love you. I cannot lose you. So with the help of someone close to me, I made a decision. For life in prison without parole. I didn't escape. I came here to